I'm stuck like Chuck on this hair. I'm stuck.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Do you see what your girl is giving? Look at this moment. Look at this wig. So before we get into this hair, we're gonna get into this wine. This wine right here is wine from Argentina. It's called Anco. I got it from Costco and it was only like $9.99. It just says white wine. It says Origin Salta. I don't know what any of that means, but it's a really good wine. It has like more of a grapefruit taste. Try it out if you stop by Costco. Okay, let's get into this wig. This wig right here is hands down, I think it's the best wig I've ever received. And this wig, she came ready to go. The company that sent me this wig is April Lace Wigs. I know that you've heard about them before. April Lace Wigs is a vet in the game. April Lace Wigs is an online wig store where you can buy wigs, and their wigs are special because you can have them customized. Now this wig right here, she came ready to go. Like I could have worn her right out the box even without washing her. But this wig is the Mongolian deep curly glueless 360 lace frontal wig. If you don't know what a 360 lace frontal is, it's basically like around the world sort of lace around the head, and then there's tracks in the middle. So it's right there in the middle between your frontal and your full lace. I'm not a 360 lace frontal sort of girl because my head is really small. 360 lace frontals are usually too big and the lace comes down and it covers my ear. This one, when I ordered the small, it was actually made to go around my ear and everything. Like, anyway, this hair is 100% Malaysian version hair. It's a deep curly. This one's 22 inches. The density is 180%. It came pre-plucked. It had baby hairs, and it has bleached knots around the perimeter. A lot of these companies say they bleach their knots, but they be lying. I was shocked when I opened the box and saw the knots were bleached. The knots were bleached just around the perimeter, so maybe about an inch back, which was good enough for me. Beggars can't be choosers. The cap construction of this wig, it came with, I think, 4 combs, and it has adjustable straps in the back. I cut out 3 of the 4 combs and I left the one at the very back. Y'all know I don't do combs. This cap size is a small. I have a very small head. Now, as far as the hair, honey, sweetie baby, honey pie, this hair is the softest hair I've ever received. She looks like she's expensive. And at the ends, I noticed that this hair is completely trimmed. It's cut evenly. There are no dead ends. It's thick from the rooter to the tutor. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like in the back. I'll show you what I did to get this hairstyle, what I did to customize her, and then I'll be back. So we're going to start off by using the Jane Carter Wrap and Roll solution. What I'm basically doing is using this foam and adding it to the ends of the hair just to make those curls clump up and make them look more defined. I'm not putting it on the roots because I love big hair. Big, dramatic hair. So we're just going to add it to the ends. Now we're going to cut off the lace. Y'all know how this goes. We're just going to cut. Take your time and go around the lace and get as close to the hairline as possible, the natural hairline. And I'm going to flip it over to the back as well since it's a 360 lace frontal, and I'm just going to cut around the back. Now we're going to place the wig on our head. Now I did the ball cap method, but I did not know what I was doing, so I didn't show you what I did. I actually did it wrong, so let me not have y'all ripping y'all hair out. I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued gel. This one isn't the waterproof kind, and I think I like this better because it's clear. And I'm adding it to my hairline using the end of an eyebrow razor. But girl, use what you can. And I'm making sure I place it where the hairline is. And I'm also pushing it back some, like towards the corners as well, so it lays flat on that side. I'm going to use a blow dryer and hold it until it gets tacky. And then I'm going to place it down carefully. And you need to use the end of like a comb or use the comb bristles to press it down. I found that it stops the hair from getting stuck in the gel or the glue. So just take your time placing that down. And if there are some areas that are lifted after you place it down, then just use the end of an object and add some gel or spray to it and then press it down again. It's better to add more gel than to do too much. So just do as little as possible. As you can see, it looks flat. It looks good. She looks cute. Now we're going to style it in that hairstyle that I have going on. I don't know. It's not a half up, half down, but this hairstyle. I just parted it with my fingers and added a hair tie. And I tied it pretty tight, not too tight because we're not trying to rip this off your head. So don't pull at the wig. And I'm going to take a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail and just wrap it around until the rubber band disappears. And I just tucked it in. I didn't even have to use a hairpin. And that's it. So now that we're back, April lace wigs really outdid themselves on this wig. I'm in love with it. I'll leave the links for this hair down below. If you would like me to do like a makeup tutorial, this is a black owned face right here. Not only is my mom and daddy black, but my makeup is black too. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, grab your wine, Jow. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.